Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Shakuntlam classes exclusively for B.Ed studies. As you all know that official notification has already been released yesterday, so please make your preparations in the same direction as the duration is very short and you have to study in abundance. So, your first paper is going to be Principles and Methods of Teaching and Population and Environmental Education. The exam date is 29th of September. So, today I am going to discuss 30 MCQ questions from the subject Population and Environmental Education. So, starting with the first question, which one of the following is not a correct reason for a declining sex ratio in northwestern India? Options are option A, female feticide, option B, succession in property, option C, increasing trend of dowry, and option D, lack of medical facilities. So the correct answer is succession in property. Coming on to question number 2, sustainable development is possible in option A, country with advanced technology, option B, geothermal gases, option C, deforestation, and option D, more food producing country. So the correct answer to this question is country with advanced technology. Coming to question number 3, in which year the National Commission for Women was constituted? Option A 1990, option B 1992, option C 1995, and option D 1999. So the correct answer to this question is in the year 1992, National Commission for Women was constituted. Coming on to question number 4, which state had highest decadal population growth in 1991 to 2001? Option A, Delhi, option B, Nagaland, option C, Rajasthan, and option D, Manipur. So the correct answer to this question is Nagaland. Coming on to question number 5, World's AIDS Day is option A on 21st March, option B 4th October, option C 1st December, and option D 31st May. So the correct answer is 1st December. World's AIDS Day is on 1st of December. Coming on to question number 6, the highest percentage of AIDS disease is found in option A, India, option B, Central Africa, option C, Japan, and option D, Bangladesh. So the correct answer is Central Africa is the country where highest percentage of AIDS disease is found. Coming on to question number 7, which of the following is the state with low population density? Option A, West Bengal, option B, Kerala, option C, Manipur, and option D, Maharashtra. So the correct answer is Manipur is the state with low population density. Question number 8 is cultural environment doesn't include option A, religion, option B, domicile, option C, means of transport, and option D, means of irrigation. So the correct answer is means of irrigation. Cultural environment doesn't include means of irrigation. Coming on to question number 9, Which cells are responsible for AIDS disease? Options are RBCs, WBCs, helper T cells, and liver cells. So the correct answer to this question is option B, white blood cells. Coming on to question 10. In which state the growth of population was highest in the last decade? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Meghalaya. And option D, Bihar. So the answer is very easy. Option number D, Bihar. Bihar is the state with the highest population growth in the last decade. Coming on to question 11, which is not a subject area of human rights? Option A, gender discrimination. Option B, racial discrimination. Option C, population control. And option D, weapon. So the correct answer is option C, population control. Question number 12 is, which state has the lowest sex ratio? Option A, Haryana. Option B, Punjab. Option C, Delhi. And option D, Rajasthan. So the correct answer is option A, Haryana. Haryana is the state with lowest sex ratio. Coming on to question number 13. Which is not a part of women empowerment? Option A, integrated development for children. Integrated child development scheme, UNESCO. Coming on to question number 13. Which is not a part of women empowerment? Option A, integrated child development scheme. Option B, UNESCO. Option C, National Women Commission. And option D, Indira Mahila Yojana. So the correct answer is integrated child development scheme is not part of women empowerment. Coming on to question number 14, which agency of United Nations looks after human rights? Option A, Security National Human Rights Commission. Option B, Security Council. Option C, UNESCO. And option D is World Drum Association. So the correct answer is Security Council. Coming on to question number 15. The main objective of health education is option A, healthcare. Option B, mental health protection. Option C, all-round development. And option D, all of these. So the correct answer will be option number D, all of these. Student, please be very careful with the options when it's written all of these and when it's written none of these. Sometimes you get confused and choose wrong option. So be very careful while choosing your options in the examination hall. Coming on to question number 16. Public health work given by the government is option A, prevention of infectious disease. Option B, family welfare. Option C, cleaning of environment. And option D, all of these. So the correct answer will be all of these. Question number 17 is, the Indian Environment Department was established in the year option A, 1970. Option B, 1975. Option C, 1980. And option D, 1960. So the correct answer will be 1980. The Indian Environment Department was established in the year 1980. Coming on to question number 18. The first school of child is option A, family, option B, society, option C, mother, and option D, parents. So the correct answer will be option number A, family. Children, here you can see that some of the options are quite confusing. For some of you, it can be that the answer should be mother, but if we go with the exact and the specific answer to the question, it will be family. Coming on to question number 19, the cover around the air is called option A, stratosphere, option B, ionosphere, option C, troposphere, and option D, atmosphere. So the correct answer is atmosphere. The cover around the air is called atmosphere. Coming on to question number 20, the layer in the atmosphere that protects the sun from ultraviolet rays is option A, middle back, option B, ozone, option C, parents, and option D, mother. So the correct option to this question will be option number B, that is ozone. Question number 21 is, when was census for the first time conducted on the basis of religion? Option A, 2000, option B, 2001, option C, 2002, and option D, 2003. So the correct answer will be option number B, 2001. The census first time conducted on the basis of religion was in the year 2001. Coming on to the next question, after which year did the gradual increase in urbanization started? Option A, 1951, option B, 1952, option C, 1953, and option D, 1954. So the correct answer to this question will be option A, 1951. So 1951 was the year after which there was a gradual increase in urbanization. Coming on to question 23, which factor is responsible for population control? Option A, desertification, option B, female education, option C, deforestation, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer to this question will be option B, female education. There is a famous quote which says, if you educate one man, the other will be educated. But if you educate one woman in the family, the whole nation will be educated. I can be a bit wrong in this quote, but the quote is somewhat like this. So female education plays a very important role in the development and the progress of the nation. Coming on to question number 24, National Family Welfare Program was implemented in India in the year option A, 1948, option B, 1951, option C, 1991, and option D, 1954. So National Family Welfare Program was implemented in the year 1954. Coming on to question 25, India's Swashakti project is related to option A, energy production, option B, conservation of energy, option C, women welfare, and option D, forest conservation. So the correct answer is women welfare. The project Swashakti is related to women welfare. Coming on to question number 26, Human Rights Act in India was regulated in the year Option A 1947, option B 1950, option C 1993 and option D 2001. So the correct answer is 1993. Human Rights Act was regulated in the year 1993. Coming on to question number 27. Who was the first to use the word demography? Option A Hauser, option B Isel Gilead, option C Whipple and option D none of these. So the correct answer is option B Isel Gilead was the first one to use the word demography. Coming on to question 28. How many elements are there in the population process? Options are option A 2, option B 6, option C 4 and option D 5. So the correct answer is option number D 5. There are 5 elements in the process of population. Coming on to question number 29. Who among the following is called the father of demographic studies? Options are Karl Marx, Neil Edgar, Aryabhat, Tim Creswell. So the correct answer to this question is option A, Karl Marx. Karl Marx is the father of demographic studies. Coming on to the last question of this MCQ session, what is sex ratio? Option A, number of females per thousand males. Option B, study of population growth. Option C, number of females per 100 males. And option D, difference between birth rate and death rate. So the correct answer is option A, number of females per 1000 males is sex ratio. So children, you can see that option number A and option C is quite confusing. So please read the options very carefully, because one wrong option can make you lose marks from the paper. So better read the options carefully and then choose your answer. So today which I have discussed will be your paper number 1, that is which will be a combined paper with principles and methods of teaching. And this exam is going to be conducted on 29th of September. So prepare yourself well. And with this, I would like to quote, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. So believe in your inner power and prepare well. So that's all for today. Thank you, friends.